Would you believe me if I said that the very first stepping stones of Ash's dream were laid by Misty? That his dream didn't move forward alone? That Misty carried it with him, protected it, and fought for it whenever needed, even if it meant clashing with anyone for his sake? If that sounds unclear, don't worry, I'll break it down. Hi, this is your very own PokeShipper, back with your favorite PokeShipping explanation series. We've reached the final arc of the Indigo League, where Ash inches closer to his dream of becoming a Pokemon Master. Let's revisit this arc through the lens of PokeShipping and explore the moments that truly matter. We begin with the episode Round 1 Begins, where Ash's first match is scheduled on a water field. Knowing the situation could put Ash at a disadvantage, Misty immediately offers him her Pokemon. This moment matters, not just because it's kind, but because it reflects how deeply she values his dream. Offering your own Pokemon isn't something everyone would do. It's something only someone who genuinely cares would consider. Ash ultimately chooses to use his own Pokemon, but the intention behind Misty's offer speaks volumes. We also see her protective side when Ash's opponent insults him by refusing a handshake. Misty instantly calls out his arrogance without hesitation. As the match begins, her concern is visible. Ash's anxiety and overconfidence worry her. Importantly, Ash isn't alone. Both Misty and Brock stand right beside the field as his coaches. Their presence gives him strength and reassurance. And then, Ash surprises everyone, including Misty, by executing smart strategies and winning without losing a single Pokemon. In the next episode, Ash advances to the third round on an ice battlefield. This isn't a direct PokeShipping moment, but it highlights why Misty is such a perfect partner for Ash. While Ash considers switching Pokemon, Misty notices Cloyster's weakness and advises him to continue attacking. As a water Pokemon specialist, her insight is sharp and informed. Later, when Brock suggests Pikachu dive underwater, Misty instead reminds Ash to use Pikachu's electricity strategically, backed by logic and science. Ash listens, follows her advice, and wins again. Moving into the fourth round, Ash faces a female opponent, and Brock, being Brock, comments on her beauty and suggests she should win. That remark immediately irritates Misty. Of course it does. Brock should be supporting Ash, isn't it? Well, the episode ends with Ash's victory using Mook, and Misty congratulates him warmly. Mug's affectionate hug toward Misty subtly shows that even Ash's Pokemon recognize and adore the woman closest to him. Next, Ash meets Richie, and the two quickly become friends. Fate, however, places them against each other in the fifth round. This puts Ash in a painful emotional dilemma. He wants to win, but he doesn't want his friend to lose. Misty and Brock notice his distress and worry for him. Ash and Richie promise to give the battle their all, but things take a dark turn. Team Rocket interferes, capturing Ash and delaying him before the match. Disguised as Richie, they call Misty and lure Ash away. When Ash fails to appear on time, the match begins. Richie asks for a delay rather than claiming an automatic victory. That's when we see one of the most emotionally powerful PokeShipping moments. Misty storms toward Richie, angry and upset, accusing him of manipulating Ash's kindness. This scene is loud with emotion, not because of the match, but because Ash's dream is at stake. Misty doesn't scold Ash for being late, she defends him. She directs her anger toward the person she believes might have ruined Ash's chance. This isn't a soft or romantic moment, it's raw proof of love. The message is clear. Don't mess with Misty's Ash. When Richie explains that he never spoke to Ash, Misty immediately calms down, her anger replaced with guilt and worry. Ash finally reaches the stadium, exhausted and drained. The battle begins, but Ash loses because his Pokemon were already weakened, and Charizard refused to cooperate. In the following episode, Friends to the End, Ash struggles to accept his loss. Misty approaches him gently, trying to distract and comfort him, but Ash lashes out and speaks harshly. This time, Misty doesn't stay silent. She tells him the truth, that his failure to train Charizard properly cost him the match. Ash denies it until Professor Oak and Delia confirm Misty's point. And she's right. Calling out your partner's flaws isn't cruelty, it's care. Blind praise leads to stagnation. Growth comes from honesty, disagreements, and accountability. Healthy partners don't worship each other. They walk side by side. Ash finishes the Indigo League in the top 16 and the tournament comes to a close. In summary, this arc isn't just about Ash's journey as a trainer, it's a clear reflection of Misty's emotional investment in his dream. She supports him mentally, emotionally, and physically. She stands by the battlefield, offers her Pokemon, cheers endlessly, and believes in him even when things fall apart. She shows softness when he's vulnerable and toughness when he's disrespected. She defends him against opponents, friends, even Brock, anyone who undermines him. Through every battle, Misty carries Ash's dream as if it were her own. By the end of the Season 1, Indigo League, we learn that Ash and Misty's bond has evolved. What began as chaos, a stolen bike, constant fights, frustration, slowly transformed into familiarity and dependence. Their arguments became routine, comfortable, almost intimate. When Ash is hurt or close to failure, Misty's teasing disappears, replaced by concern and protectiveness. Ash may not realize it, but he leans on her emotionally and reacts deeply to her presence or absence. There are no confessions, no dramatic declarations, just trust, priority, attachment. That's Indigo League poke shipping, not romance yet, but the foundation that makes everything else possible. That's all for today, friends. I'll see you in the next video as we move into the next season and uncover even more poke shipping moments. Until then, keep smiling and keep poke shipping.